Do you ever have yourself in those moments where you feel broken and you just don't know what to do? Well, let's talk about that. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to this week's Sunday Inspiration presented by Spiritually Centered. And today I want to talk about something that I feel is important, is that we go through these places in our life where we really, really feel broken, or that we need to fix something in order to become better. And here's the thing, we're so focused on being broken and so focused on trying to see what's broken and trying to dig down deep to find it and pull it out by its roots that we just get absorbed in the brokenness. And I'm going to share a secret with you. This should not be a secret at all. You're not broken. You are already whole. You are already divine. That divine essence within you, regardless of what your belief system is, of your religion, whatever that is, you are divine. And we have been taught to not trust our own divinity. We have been taught to take our healing from others, and that others have more authority over us than we do. And there's a lot that goes on with that because we look to other figures to help restore us and make us feel better, and then they fall off that pedestal. And then we get so disappointed in them, and then we're thinking, well, boy, I was following them, or I believed in them, and I just got this punch to the gut. I can't do anything right. That is not true. And if that person or that teacher, leader, gave you information that helped you on your journey, that's a good thing, right? What they do on their own journey is up to them and is their own business, right? But if you outgrow them, or they've done something that you can no longer take in, right? Or you don't want to stand by that belief, let it go. You're not tied to that. It is not this concrete package that once you learn from somebody or you believe in somebody that you have to continue to follow negative teachings or negative beliefs. And I hope that I'm making sense here, because when we feel broken, sometimes we're caught up on our limited thoughts, that we're not allowing ourselves to move forward, and we're taking those limited thoughts as a truth, and they're showing up as a truth in our reality. But the truth is, let spirit work for you and let it work with you. But spirit isn't working for you just outside here. Spirit wants to come through you and out into the world. So allow that to happen. And the best way to do that is to take that moment and sit down and take that deep breath and let it out and say, all right, it's hard for me in this moment to believe that I am whole and that I am divine, but I want to believe that. It's hard for me to believe that I don't have to fix something in order to return to my wholeness. I want to believe that. I'm willing to believe that. I'm willing to do better. I'm willing to be happier. I'm willing to change my life. And having that conversation in spirit, guide me, tell me what to do. And allow that to move you. And again, it might just say, take a nap. It might say, get up and move. It might say, go weed the yard. I don't know, but a lot of times it's those distractions that help us open up. But we spend so much time trying to fix us and to try to heal us. And when we believe in the miracles of healing, but yet that miracle of healing is not showing up for us, and we believe it and we get angry, we can't heal from that place of anger. We can't resolve anything from that place of anger. We have to step back. And what if we could just take that moment and say, I am that divine beloved. I am part of that universe. I am loved. I am supported, and I am whole. And if you took this moment to just say, I am whole, and what would be great for me to do today? What can I do that would serve humanity? What can I do for others? Because if you go from that state, we're not focused on the brokenness, on the distraction. And in order for us to come into wholeness, we have to believe in the wholeness, not to believe that we have to conquer something or fight our way through it. We have too many mile markers about fighting this and being a survivor. And, I had to fight to survive, and I have to prove that I can do it. And, I'm the champion of survival. And, you're in that moment. We're probably a lot in that moment right now, surviving and not thriving. But when we can recognize we are already whole and everything that we want is there and available, it's again getting ourselves in the vibration of receiving what it is that we want. But if we can claim that we are whole, that we are restored, that we can choose in this moment to be healthy, happy, joyful, well, prosperous, whatever, we can move forward. And we will see the changes. We will see the resolution when we believe it and we focus on just being whole, our true identity to who we are. And until next time, namaste.